Welcome to the world of yarn dyeing, where color meets quality. Our journey begins with carefully selected quality yarns that undergo a precise dyeing process to deliver color deep into each fiber. This unique dyeing process ensures that the colors are long-lasting and will not fade even after many washes, giving each fabric vibrant and durable colors. This dyeing process also allows us to weave intricate patterns and designs to create visually stunning fabrics. Whether it's a simple plain color or a beautiful pattern, Color Yarn dyed fabrics can meet all your needs. Color Yarn dyed fabrics are renowned for their exceptional durability in high-traffic applications such as home furnishings, curtains, and upholstery. In these situations, where long-term use and color retention are required, Color Yarn dyed fabrics are the ideal choice. Our fabrics are versatile and suitable for a wide range of applications. Whether it's for apparel, accessories, or home furnishings, yarn dyed fabrics can add a unique touch to your designs. Whether you're a designer looking for high-quality fabrics to bring your ideas to life, or a consumer looking for durable and visually appealing fabrics for the home, yarn-dyed fabrics are the perfect choice. Choose yarn-dyed and experience superior quality and long-lasting color. Contact us today to find out more.